the 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Article 3, Bill of Rights, Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person shall be denied the equal protection of the laws. Section 2. The right of the people to be secure in their person, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature and for any person shall be inviolable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witness he may produce. And particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Section 3, paragraph 1. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court, or when public safety or order requires otherwise, as prescribed by law. Paragraph 2. Any evidence obtained in violation of this or the preceding section shall be inadmissible for any purpose in any proceeding. Section 4. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and petition the government of the government for redress grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. The free exercise and enjoyment of religious profession and worship without discrimination or preference shall be forever be allowed. No religious test shall be required for the exercise of or political rights. Section 6. The liberty of abode and of changing the same within the limits prescribed by law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order of the court. Neither shall the right to travel be impaired except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health, as may be provided by law. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized. Access to official records and to documents and papers pertaining to official acts, transactions, or decision, as well as to government research data used as basis for policy development shall be afforded the citizens, subject to both limitation as may be provided by law. Section 8. The right of the people, including those employed the public and private sectors, to form unions, associations, or societies for purposes not contrary to law shall not be abridged. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. Section 10. No law impairing the obligations of contracts shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to the courts and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reasons of poverty. Arrest, Rule 113, Rules of Court. Section 1. The taking of a person into custody in order that he may be bound to answer for the commission of an offense. Warrant of arrest, it is an order in writing issued in the name of the people of the Philippines, signed by the judge and directed to a peace officer commanding him to take a person in custody in order that he may be bound to answer for the commission of an offense. Preliminary investigation is an inquiry or proceeding to determine whether there is sufficient ground to engender a well-founded belief that a crime has been committed. And the respondent is probably guilty thereof and shall not and should be held for trial. Miranda Doctrine. You have the right to remain silent. Any statement you make may be used for or against you in any court of law in the Philippines. You have the right to have a competent and independent counsel, preferably of your own choice. If you cannot afford the services of counsel, the government will provide one for you. You have the right to demand physical examination by an independent and competent doctor of your own choice. If you can't afford the services of a doctor, the state shall provide you one.